Alright, guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on when the video is actually meeting you. And I hope this video meets all you beautiful people in good terms. Okay, alright, everything has been done, and I am wanting to share my results for last week's trades with you. But first, before we do that, I want to say some things. You see, this week I broke my rules. I broke my rules like for the first time. Even though it's not the first time, let's say after a very long while I broke my rule. Why? I was pressuring myself to get trade so that I will be able to come around and make videos to post for you people. I was pressuring myself, and that is one thing you need to avoid. You need to avoid pressure in this market no matter what. Avoid pressure. Once you are being pressured to trade just know one, you are already lost. Once you are pressured to trade, you already lost. Once you are giving your trading career a time limit, you already lost also. You already lost. So this week I took, normally I will be aiming for minimum of 2 trades in a week. But this week I took so much trades. Like, let's say around like 6. And I was losing, and I don't think it's up to 6 though, but I did not document it. But I was taking trades. I was also trying to get content because Wednesday, at Wednesday I was not having any video, any trade. I haven't taken any trade, so I was wanting to get trades so I can post videos. But you see, that's no good. Do not pressure yourself no matter what. Okay. If you are getting noise from the background, please pardon that. I'm sorry. So now I took a trade yesterday on Euro JPY, EUR JPY, and it was a win. And I was able to recover the losses I had over the week with that. But from now on, if I did not get any trade in the week, I will only come here and then we will talk about something inside the market, around the market, that is going to help me and you all grow ourselves. You understand? So that's what we will do. So I don't want to be pressuring myself to trade. It's not good for a trader. Once you are being pressured to trade, no matter what it is, you are pressured to trade because so you can get content to post, you can get videos to post. It's bad. You are pressured to trade so you can get money to eat, money for this, money for that. It's still bad. Do not pressure yourself to trade. Don't, no matter what. Make it a side hustle. Make trade a side hustle until you are getting it correctly. Until you are getting it correctly. You understand? I don't want to talk too much though. Now I'll run a sharp technical analysis here. You understand? And then I will get back to you guys. So let's do the technical analysis first. So there's not too much to do. There's just little here. For gold, huh? For gold, it's either I'm seeing three. Let's go to 1 hour. You understand? Let's go to 1 hour. I'm seeing three different stops here where we can buy from. Hmm? It's either we buy from here. It's either it drops to this place, then he give us the M. You understand? It give us the M, and then we go to our 15 minutes or 5 minutes and look for a buy. Or when it comes down to this place, or it comes down to this place, this area, and buy. Huh? And if it does not here, so I'm seeing three places though, because this is a full bullish trend. You understand? It's a full bullish trend. And excuse me, if by any chance this acts like this, something like this, and broke this structure again, broke this particular one, yeah, I will only wait for it to recorrect itself and start buying again. I will only wait for it to recorrect itself and start buying again, because gold is bullish. You don't want to be looking for how to sell. You don't want to be looking for that. You'll be caught on the wrong side. You understand? So this is it. So for me, and see, one thing you need to know is that because I am doing analysis here doesn't mean most definitely this is what is going to happen in the market. No, no, that's wrong. Do not think like that, because for almost the whole last week I analyzed almost all the currency pair to be selling, but they were not. They were buying. They started buying, and they were broken the sell and the resistance I had. They were breaking the resistance I had continuously. You understand? So I think the market is trying to start going bullish. Only gold, because I remember the analysis on gold was for a buy. Only gold was buying. Only gold was buying. The rest of them were selling. Let me check. USD card. I did not make any analysis on USD card because of the. You see, this is basic consolidation. You don't want to be trading this. This is basic consolidation. You see, you don't want to be trading this. GBP USD. You see this? Are you seeing this? GBP USD. I was looking for a sell around here, or let's say around here. It did not. It did not give me that sell. Here also, it did not. It kept on breaking structures. It kept on breaking structures. So now, I think I will only avoid GBP USD for this week, and I will be looking forward to this resistance. That's what I'm going to do. I will avoid it and look forward to this resistance. If by any chance it breaks this, I will start looking for buys. If it breaks this and retest, I will start looking for buys. You understand? So this is for GPUs, because I'm not trying to trade it. I'm just wanting to show you what that, and this was the pair that gave me the recovery, the win. Yes, you see, and even this one, its analysis was for a sell, because as you can see, there are higher highs and higher lows, and lower highs and lower lows. Sorry, lower high right here, lower low, lower high right here, lower low, and then started retracing. And also for this too, I think we should wait right here, or I could start looking for my buy already. But I would love to wait. I would love to wait and see what happens around here. I would love to wait and see what happens around here. Understand? So basically, as you can see, there might not be any trade for next week. There will be a trade though, but as you can see how this, you can also, can you see this one too? GBP JPY. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and then lower high, and it refused to break. It was unable to break. Failure swing. It was unable to break, and then now it's retracing. You see. So now I'm even lost. I don't know where exactly to wait for this one. But first has been broken, second has been broken. Okay, I'll just wait for another retest and break. If we retest again and break under structure, we will start looking for buys. So this is basically what I will be looking forward to next week. This week we are going into. This is it. Nothing else. So the only place I'm having a sight for will be gold. Gold will be the only thing I'm looking forward to get a signal from. And as you can see, my pairs are limited here. GBP USD, USD card, XAU USD, GBP JPY, and EUR JPY. Limited. I don't like to trade too much. I don't like to trade too much currencies, you understand? I will be removing this because there are no setups there. There are no setups there, but I'll be checking and observing. Once I see a change, I'll start to pay attention to the pair. So this is it. This is gold. So I will just show you people the trade result. The trade that was a win trade, and then that should be that. And I told you about being pressured. Make sure you are not pressured. Do not be pressured. If you're a family man and you are coming into the trading industry, yeah, or let's say a boy like me, and you are having, well, yeah, so a boy, okay, a boy like me, and you're having responsibility, and you're wanting to take care of your family, you're having to. Do not pressure yourself. Go out there. Still go and work. Do not quit your job because you are coming to this market. It might take you a very long time before you start getting paid. Do not quit your job. Don't pressure yourself, huh? Don't pressure yourself. Okay. I will try to remember this. I'll try to remember this so that I will talk about it in my next video for next weekend. It should be fundamental traders and sentimental traders. Yes, I want to educate you people on that in our next video so that you will know you don't have to be a trader. You don't have to be doing all this technical analysis here before you can trade. You can be a sentimental trader. You can be someone who is like trading based on other people's prediction. Like now, you are seeing this analysis from me, and then you are following it. It is not your own personal analysis, but you are following it. That is sentimental trading. You understand? But I will go that is just a brief. I will go deeper on it next week. I need you guys to be safe. I need you guys to study more. If you are coming into this game, come in fully. You cannot give part time to this. Come in fully, but fully doesn't mean quit your job. Study properly, continue studying, continue watching educated video. Go for a mentorship if you can afford one. If you can afford a mentorship, go for a mentorship. There are plenty people out there who can mentor you. Hmm? There are plenty people out there. There is Dabo Williams, there is Jeffrey Benson, there is Happy Forex, there is Swaggy C, there is Kojo, there is Kofi. All those people, you understand? I don't run any uh like cost stuff now. Not for now, you understand? We'll do that later. But now, so stay safe. Do not trade if you don't know what you are doing. See, one thing I'll tell you is that I don't know if you're a newbie, you might have heard somewhere they said make rules that guide you on your trading. You understand? And that's why I told you when I started the video that I broke some of my rules. Make rules, because once you are not having a rule, once you are not having strategy, once you open the market now, oh, look at this structure has been broken. No, this structure has been broken. Oh yeah, Scar, let's buy. And funny enough, I'm telling you, this thing might dump, and maybe your stop loss is just below here. This stuff might dump till this exact place before it starts to buy again. Please, if you don't know much, be on your paper account, on your demo account. Train once you are training and you feel you are getting what you are doing properly, you can afford a little amount of money. Do not trade with money you are not willing to lose. I saw a post on Facebook the other day. It was like they were talking to newbies. Do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And then the next day, man then was like depositing his house rent. And they be trader. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose. That is where fear comes in. That's where you will see people are unable to fight their psychology. They are trading psychology. Please, don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Okay, let's see the trade results. After that, we'll just round up and go.